Welcome to this year's TSMC Open Innovation Platform, the world's most pivotal technology ecosystem. With TSMC's leadership, we foster unparalleled innovation by bringing together the brightest minds and the most advanced technologies in semiconductor design. We're proud Cadence has been a key participant in this ecosystem since its inception. Our recent collaboration with TSMC has led to significant advancements in AI and 3D IC solutions and deployment readiness for TSMC's N2P technology node. On behalf of Cadence, I'd like to thank TSMC for the honor of receiving innovation awards for the joint development of the A16 and N2P design infrastructure, multiphysics solutions that push the limits of what's possible, COUPE design solutions for enhanced productivity, analog and RF design migration solutions to ensure seamless transitions, and advancing DSP IP for superior compute performance. We look forward to continuing our partnership with TSMC and delivering the best technology to our mutual customers. Thank you.